Hey there, and welcome back to Tim Talks Cooking. Today, we are talking keto almond flour waffles, my friend. That's right, you heard me, keto almond flour waffles. And I'm going to make a really big batch because I want to have these ready all week for quick breakfast whenever I want. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make these delicious waffles. Starts off with 2 cups of sifted blanched almond flour. You can use unblanched, of course, if you like. I've got 3 teaspoons of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. 2 tablespoons of erythritol. A half a teaspoon of xanthan gum. You're also going to need a cup of heavy whipping cream, 6 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, that's pure vanilla extract, and you're going to need some water. How much water will depend on the consistency you want for your batter, and I'll show you how to do that when we mix everything together. As with all recipes of this type, I like to mix the dry ingredients together first. There we go. Just use a whisk and stir them together. It'd be really pretty much like sifting them together. There we go. And then we're also going to mix our liquid ingredients together too. Well, some of them, we're going to leave the water out, of course, for the moment. So vanilla extract and the cream. I'm just going to use a fork to mix that up. We don't want to whip this or anything. We just want to mix everything together, break up the egg yolks, and get this combined into a smooth, homogeneous mixture. Obviously, the next step, there's really nothing to making waffles, is to add these together. And we're just going to stir them together. Even if you have a non-stick waffle iron, you're going to want to spray it or brush it with some kind of fat of your choice. If you don't like the sprays, please use the fat of your choice. There's my waffle iron come to temperature. I'm going to put about 1/3 of a cup in there. Spread it around a little bit. And you'll experiment with the amount. I'm thinking maybe a little bit more than that. Spread it around into a nice circular shape. Close the lid and wait. My waffle iron makes a little sound when the waffles are done. Let's see if they are. Look at how beautiful that is. Let's get that out of there with our tongs. And onto a rack to cool. Look at that. Beautiful. And on to the next one. You might notice that your batter gets a little thick as you go along. You can always add a little bit of water like I'm going to do here and stir it in to extend it a little bit. You don't have to. Oh, there's another waffle done. Anyway, if your batter gets too thick, just add a little water and whisk it in. What we end up with here, of course, are these 8 beautiful big waffles. And I'm thinking, almond flour is really very filling. Each one of these contains 1/4 of a cup of almond flour. I think cutting this in half and eating just 2 of these triangles would make a very satisfying serving. In any case, let's give this a taste. Well, all right. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, these look so nice. I put a little melted butter and a little bit of sugar-free maple syrup on these. Oh yeah, it's very nice. These have a really beautiful flavor. And they're nice and sweet. I can taste the vanilla. That's really good. What I'm really not tasting here is the egg so much. So if your question is, are they eggy? No, they're really not. They're good. Very nice. It's like any other waffle you had before you were on the keto diet. You're going to like these waffles. I hope you'll try them. I also hope that you will like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. It also helps you find my videos. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tin Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.